Good man. Jesus. I walk, I forgot walk around so.
Yeah, we have to walk everywhere.
Yeah, so whole scallops up there, no? Come here.
You never know you about nobody do that.
No.
Morning.
Morning.
How far the vehicle? How far it come from? No.
Manchester.
Yeah, man. But remember cross the bridge. Remember cross the bridge at Manchester.
Whoa.
Man, I gear shop there, sir. All the container and the square there, so in the roof gone.
Hey, look here. May I tell you, say, see next week? By weekend, a whole forest brown.
Yes. Yeah, man. Yes, have a brown.
Yeah. Look there.
Terrible. You see, I see all the way in Manchester.
That's Manchester.
Oh my God.
Shudley. Craig Shudley, Manchester.
So you want to go out?
No, when me there, me can't come round.
Oh, you can't. You're blocked in.
Black in.
Hey, warm to you.
Good man.
Good?
Yeah, man, we're up already.
Alright.
Good.
Yeah.
You know, so bad, but
Yeah.
Yeah. Give thanks. Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah.
People here, but them can't. It's Manchester, where them going?
Where does somebody here that come from me?
Scholar. How Miss Annie? Was she good?
Okay.
Alright. Pinchers that chick, so I just make you know say she good. You see her this morning? You see her? Miss Annie, you see her this morning? Alright, yes, boss. Yes. Alright. This is Troy Primary School. Well, based on what we are seeing, just one tree. There's one zinc cliff up.
And one zinc missing from what you can see at the front.
Which part?
And this building here over the side.
At the front? No zinc, no lift up.
So what it goes? Oh.
Yeah, you don't want to sit here. That the hillside we couldn't see nowhere but just trees. I see.
But something else, I'm telling you.
Somebody have a chainsaw.
Yeah. This house roof gone.
Hey, I said this is the funny side.
No, that did the on the foot.
I doubt it.
And hurricane turn of it.
My God.
Huh? Yeah. I'd flip over it, man.
This hurricane move on will container. Flip it over on the side. Look over there. That's over the river. Hector's River in Troy.
Oh.
See this roof? The back of it little.
Some I think them gone. See?
Yeah.
See up a house there now. And that, you see when we are looking at them houses that in a bottom New Hope.
But we head up there a little while depending on how
Yeah.
things are. We can foot it.
Yeah, we have to foot it.
See out over the mountains and look.
See it start get brown already?
Brown. Can't feel it gone.
Alright, look up on New Hope.
My God, look there. Like you weren't able to see any of those houses before the hurricane. I know. I mean, you pretty much can see everything. Come here.
Morning.
How things you do now?
Why nobody know? Oh, 6, 7 seats has been gone, man. Half my house up there.
Oh no.
Everywhere get a tear up, man. Everywhere.
But everybody good though.
Yes, man. I don't know everybody.
You have to give thanks to life.
You know, so nobody getting hurt so far, you know. I just let that great this.
Yeah.
I want to turbo blitz, not true?
Yes?
Can I tell you?
One I turbo blitz, man.
Yeah, man.
Morning.
Morning. Good morning, sir.
Everything alright with you?
Yes, man. Good one.
Okay, good. Alright.
You say you room me depan. Ini gambar sih ini pop.
Lift up.
I'm the big betul.
Bed wake up.
So, mesti dapat kita so.
Yeah, man.
All the time.
Yes.
Alright.
Tell the girl look up there, you don't have to go up there. Wanna go wash up? We alright.
Good man, we give thanks.
Yes,
God has
Just
been
like-
good. We can't complain. Yeah.
Every sheet come out of it.
Yeah?
Every single sheet come out.
Oh yeah, sir, man.
we're gonna just take up and put one side.
You come on the house, girl.
Everything come out with me I'm up there.
Are you alone in
I'm
there?
alone. Everything come off with me I'm now.
So you manage, where you go?
Ball, we catch him and that matches.
Yeah? So you don't come out?
Come out and zinc a fly out.
Oh, yeah.
So you just secure yourself in there nonetheless.
Just beer, you so tell.
Right through the night.
So tell it, we get one to relieve me run out.
The puppy there talk. Come puppy don't. Where you say me your grandmother house
Yes, man,
gone?
you just lift up like you just take it up and put it one side. So. And my house also half height.
Yeah?
Yeah. One side gone. You know, right through.
Right through and beat with.
Yeah, man.
So no wet all night?
All night, man. We never come out anything happen to you.
Oh God.
Through that part, you know, never to like take off and so.
Yeah.
You know, me just kind of, you know, stay there with one something cover we and so on.
Yeah.
You know.
Because it was pitch dark last night.
Yeah, man. So.
Yeah, rough man.
Terrible.
If it is the one next hours in a week or more.
I'm telling you.
True, yes.
Man, we were just counting down the time. It was the longest day ever.
Yes.
Yeah.
But God, I got.
Yes.
All right.
Yes, give thanks.
Yes,
Yeah.
all right. Look there.
Let's see something there right up there. So let's see. What if I'm a solar panel?
I mean, yeah. Well, probably. Oh, God.
Good morning. Me see you not alive and well, so we have to give thanks to that first.
That is still in control.
Yes.
God is the greatest.
Yes.
Yeah.
Life is more important, you know?
Yes, life is more important.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
So we give God thanks all the time.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Yes.
He promised he will never leave us nor forsake us.
Yes. And him always in control.
Yeah.
Okay, now take care.
You too. All right. Yes.
Okay. Blessings, everything.
Blessings. Oh my God. Watch it. I first never experienced that.
Me too. I'm telling you, it was the longest day ever.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I first never experienced that.
Constant praying. Thank God it passed. It's a treat.
The body tangle up. Yankee soon come move them. Well, a film cow, come on, man. I don't know if I film cow. Wanna reach down here early? What happened? Morning.
Early man.
How things?
Thing good man.
Chano.
I got 3 sheets more for me.
Yeah?
Yeah man.
We still have to give thanks.
Yeah, man.
If you lose the whole house
God.
and you're there, you have to give thanks same way.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
It's terrible. That are bottom Shudley.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
Right side I go club.
Oh,
You
yeah.
know.
Say road block?
Yeah, they clear man.
Okay.
Oh. Okay.
Come see somebody use a chainsaw this a while ago. But we are going to still and look what happened. Alright, yes man.
Yeah, man.
Cool.
Aye.
Yeah.
No, it's not like this, yeah.
You see it now, not you?
I wicked this one, missing.
Oh my God.
Oh,
Morning.
I want things
One-
that
All around for living.
God spare we life.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
We get a chance to rebuild, not you?
God spare we life.
Yes, yes. We have to give thanks.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
For real, brother.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah, go on circle and look.
alright, take care. Okay.
All right. Sister. Oi.
Yeah, man, just stay put. No, sir. We can't do that. I roof.
This a roof, half of it gone.
Yeah. So this is the house the gentleman was just telling us
Papi.
about. Papi. Same grandmother house gone and film gone.
I can't understand how you have the 2-car park here so in a hurricane. Yeah? Yeah?
Matter what they want to try, still standing.
Morning.
Standing.
Yeah.
Morning.
Mash up all over myself. This I do have to give it some money for the politician. Them for see what place done up. Mash up. Yeah?
You see?
Everybody want help now.
Put them lift up.
See Miss Hilda? No look like nobody did it.
All the car glass broke out.
Oi!
Miss Hilda. Miss Hilda? Miss Hilda? How you do?
Hello.
Hi.
Morning, darling. Morning.
Good morning. We are saying another year.
See me right up, bless up. See me up, bless up.
At the window?
No, up at the doorway.
Yeah.
When I sell it,
Yes.
Oh, Miss Hilda, how you do?
I don't want water the right yourself. When I sell it, come round and come to let out the water here for me.
Yes, may I come round?
Yeah, man.
The back door open?
Yeah, man. Go right round at the back fire so can come through.
Oh, Lord.
Sister Michelle.
Good morning, Miss Hilda.
Morning, darling. Morning.
Okay. Oh, Lord.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, here.
Oh.
Wait, right here?
So your babe there?
Eh?
Yeah.
Miss Bev? Yeah? Somebody answer.
You see?
Oh, something boring. Oh, shit.
Where?
Go neighbor, go look if you see anything.
Where the water? They in the roof?
One night.
Yeah, I want something punchy.
Oh. Somebody answer round the back. Where's Miss Bev, Miss Hilda?
I don't know if she round the back or round the front, man.
Oh, God. How was the night for you?
Well, Wayne was here keeping me company, you know.
Yes.
Wayne was here from Monday night.
Oh.
God sent him.
Yes.
And I never run him.
Oh, Lord.
No. But he couldn't sleep in the hall last night for water was there.
That's Miss Mary Wynn.
Nice. So
Oh.
he could go lie outside of me.
Yes.
Yeah, me used to sleep with my mother when he's sick, you know. He said, yes, my son lie down.
Yes. Thank God.
Yes, Michelle. I never see this.
Yeah.
No disaster.
Oh,
Then say
God.
one. Nice.
Can I use it for?
Sit there. Right there, sir.
Just one little hole. Oh.
When was out?
How you know say water up there?
You know, see the water, this is the farm in the water. This is the farm in the water, you know.
So you know
in the corner, the two are walk around the sort.
I guess it will flow
But
come out
if you come to
the
this one,
Yeah,
If you did, I hate me dog say if you have one
see what
bucket.
this is a feature. Put it there, man. Take out the rag.
Okay.
You know. Tap the rag in the cup, there's no splash.
Splash. Yeah. Better.
Yeah, man. You know, what's splash fine, so.
Okay.
You see around that house, Sister Michelle? A river bed.
Jesus.
Oh my God.
River bed. A 3 piece or something we change now. Last night when we come down and when we look, we said, Lord Jesus, when we go down with my foot and me look. The whole place underwater. I don't know what road, so you know, because
Round the lift up, so.
On the lift up.
you know, so we can't walk, so. Oh, yeah, see that. So you want all one map, you know.
Alright, you see, like how the water run out now, we are going good on the so go look. So we check fine on the pass back.
Yes, sir.
Yes, alright, Miss
All right,
Hilda.
thanks, sir. Thanks, Mama.
You're welcome, Miss Hilda. Alright. Oops.
Oh, Jesus. No.
Storm out, man. Storm out, man.
Oh, Bovel, miss. Oh, they're not there. How your house?
They're not there. So because it's my house drop down on them thing about, you know, too bad.
You go around
When
there?
they come on, everything drop down over there.
Huh?
Spragger house and everybody house gone on them thing.
Alright.
Alright then.
We'll walk.
Church.
This is a church flat.
Miss Joyce's house gone too. Jesus. It's worse than I thought.
There's a one place in Thieves Inc.
The church.
It look like then they just start build up. See
Yeah,
the side?
because it was plywood, don't you?
Alright, yeah.
Yeah. Once the water come in for you now.
We have to come out of our room.
So where you come out go?
Next room.
Oh, that's one part.
Just one
My room now.
Yeah. Water something there.
Look there.
God have mercy.
God, may I tell us.
You couldn't see way before now, don't you?
No. Yeah. Clearance.
So you can come out this answer morning, my neighbor.
If you say it over here, not care how you speak softly.
No need to go down the road. No, we see.
You said the devastation. You go down there already?
No, down the way we are coming from a tire.
What's up, man? Go look now.
Yeah, go wash down.
Yeah,
What they say I'm up a parlor?
They all shift.
oh, it no collapse go, it just shift. So she alright?
Maybe she move out.
Okay.
Okay, alright. Cause we want to go up there now, but we drive. See, we drive out. We come a gate. We could come further than the gate.
So down this
It blocked.
Who are this to come down to the crossroad block off?
But by the time we drove out, people were saying, no, no, can't go, enough to walk. So we just leave the car right here.
We never see this yet. It makeshift bridge block off. One river farm right in front where you then walk.
Yeah.
Wow. No, go down there.
Yeah, we'll go down there. Alright, take it.
Later,
Take it
yes.
easy. Yeah.
Alright. Wang, yeah, clean up early. Alright.
Sappy,
Hi, dear.
how you do?
No, sir.
Nobody.
I know Mr. Kim that.
We don't want no cussing fire this morning, Mr.
I'm
Pinnock.
not going to tell him nobody cussing.
Yeah.
Mr. Kim, about what's the market you know, drop me up, man?
Huh? Did I drop you right there, sir?
The road block, Mr. P.
Yes, the president. How everything?
Well, nothing much no go on, you know.
Yeah.
I just, that's what I coming.
Yeah, so you have to make the people them know, you know. So then we see it, isn't it? Yes. Alright.
Back to me, sir.
So we are walk.
Yes, me I go on, you know what you want to go on.
Yes,
Yeah,
man.
alright.
Yes, Mr. Pinnock.
You know my situation already, you know, say.
true, me know, say me can't lean up on anybody. In a sense, you know.
Yeah.
For me wake up yesterday morning. From about in 4 o'clock, to go do what I do. So you understand?
Yes.
What there until now.
Oh, cause they understand say hurricane.
So anyway, but me did it on the round G as we did and when me see a water place with a G. So me I say, this hurricane and no matter where me happen for me house it must go disturb it. Hey, we go down there while I go the road block we go down there. The whole of 3/4 big and me bed full of water.
Jesus.
So you stay last night?
You know I just shampoo that I said that G bill. Yeah man. The whole of house me take off a few for maybe I have to go get my cloth and see if you talk. But I not take it stress myself.
You have life.
Yes.
So I have to give thanks to that.
Yes, man.
Yes.
But the damage.
Yeah.
So I tell you, I try myself to can march on.
Yes, man. The road block still in out. You say I walk here, we good, you know?
I'll try my best.
Yeah, man.
You know, some no one on the audience.
Yeah, man. We understand.
Yeah, man. Are you for reach out to me? That's all?
Yeah, man. We do that. Yes. Okay. Blessings.
Kim. Morning, everybody.
Morning.
Morning.
Yes. Yes. Anybody ahead for the camera, step aside, please. Step aside if you don't want to be in the video.
I know not normal, Mr. Kemper, Miss Kim. I know not normal.
Yes.
As you can see for yourselves.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus, me.
Yeah, man, that happen.
So far, me not hear of no life.
Lost. Yes, and we have to give thanks.
The greatest.
Yes.
Yeah, that is the greatest. So we have to be grateful and thankful.
Yes.
For the no lives lost. But other than that, oh my God, it's a disaster.
It's terrible.
Witness Gilbert and me I tell you are the first in my life. Not even COVID never hit me so.
Yeah.
Not even COVID. Not even normal. Tell me.
So we have to go rebuild there now.
Yes, so we have to just start all over.
Yes.
God has been so good.
Yes, we have to give thanks.
Roof still up. Yeah. Just look at what's on. But the shop, everything.
Yeah. So how you doing now, Kim? Yeah.
I actually chopped up on the house. Chopped up blue. But life there still.
We can take a look on it.
Give thanks. Yeah, man. Yeah, over there.
Oh, you chopped up, blow off?
Yeah, I chopped up piece. I chopped up branch. I want to put on right now.
Yeah. It's too early for them on the road. All right. Yes.
Your house gone to Bunny?
So Kim chopped up gone.
So Kim, you just put up the shop and it mash up.
Yeah.
To see if anything like here.
Oh, that shop. Why that shop safe, man?
Kim. So what you did there, Kim?
Yeah, we didn't meet in our shop. My baby mother in their cook. And he said, I'm going to
Huh?
like it is the roof.
Yeah, it's all up.
And he said, it's all over. Crawl out. Yeah. I started to keep up the money.
So what time was this?
Okay.
What time you have?
Before night, man. Yeah, my around after 4 to 5.
Yesterday evening?
Yeah.
Yeah?
One after 4 to 5, yeah. I remember the stand comes from around a little bit after 2 or so.
Yeah.
So I'm going to live around my back in my back.
Oh, him never there.
No, you're not there. From that morning, let's go.
But film part alright, it look like.
Part yeah, because I treat them to like back.
Yeah. So if I never treat you, that alright? Yeah.
I treat because
But you don't know what happened. You have life.
you have life.
We have to give thanks.
Important more life.
Yes.
That's
true.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
When you have life, you have everything. Because I'm there in a shop. I watch over there, so say, See Dicky rooftop I come off. And by the time this is so the shade where they so tear down. So I come up on the piers and now and look.
Yeah.
And look around and so I look me see tree on the house.
Oh my
So I
God.
just shot it around there so. And I showed Christine.
Yeah.
He answer so I say alright, you alive.
Yeah. So when look boy did there?
Him did in a shop with me.
Oh, she alone did in the house.
Yeah.
Oh.
She alone in the house a cook. So we send the boy down and Nicole. After everything popped down.
Yes.
Because we don't want him there up here so.
So where you sleep?
Serious. Eh?
Are you not sleep?
I build back in the car liquor, you know.
Oh, can you know say
I have to watch what go on, you know, nobody can loot and take away things them also.
Yes, man, understand that.
Past in the shop also.
Yeah.
So right now, because I pull off one side just so I see I can take out the things about the house, just on the bed and so.
So yes. So you gotta try box up one little part for going now. You have to go just go in the shop.
May I go? May I go see if I can line or something else and build one big play room like.
How when you go do that?
May I so early I can do it, I don't know yet.
Oh.
May I try so I can do.
Alright.
You know, we never look for this.
Yeah, we never plan for it.
Yeah, because I say a tree that pop down.
You see it? And a big tree.
A big tree, man.
Yeah.
It look like it hollow from
from the root.
Yeah, at the start of blow. So you take a week aside and drop it on your house.
Yes. You have one whole heap of washer fly around though, man.
Yeah, man.
Are them did under the shed?
Yeah, under the shed, yeah.
Oh. Yeah. Alright, we'll go further still. Yes, we give thanks.
Yeah, man.
Thanks, yeah?
Yeah, my boss.
Alright.
Pass up for the hill too, you know?
Yeah, man.
Tell the girl that's me hard, man. When I like this, so. When the wicked done, me I tell you.
Yeah.
Yeah, all the three them blocky place and thing. Right, I know my house stop come off. Me no know how me I go money. Yeah.
We are going to walk that way there.
Jaja, you do it, man. Manners and love. Yes, sir.
Alright,
And your wifey.
Yeah, man.
You not take care, yeah.
Yeah.
Devastation, guys. Devastation.
Oh, yeah, so Babu, I say.
Yeah, the morning damage and suckers like the roof.
I'm gone with everything.
Everything.
I'm gone with everything on my yard.
But your life there.
Me life still there,
So
I'm
we
still
give
God.
thanks.
I'm
Yes,
God.
yes.
You could have worse, but you know worse.
Give thanks.
Yes,
Yes.
still there, you can go knock up back your place.
Alright.
Yes.
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 No death
Okay.
or anything down here.
Right time we that try
But
to go get Miss Lee
the
set up a
storm,
firewood boat.
it ravaged the place.
Likkle mama.
Yes,
man, they carry
it
her
seems
back
as
to
if
mama.
this girl, what they call
Man, them with
Melissa.
no house on their firewood.
Look here. She shouldn't get this a young girl name.
No,
Too powerful.
Delilah, she should have get. Delilah with this name.
Yes.
But anyway, young people, not easy these days.
True, yes.
See, the church, top is off.
Yeah.
My house top is gone.
So what did they write there? So what we are looking through now?
Remember, it was what they call it, the chromatic.
Oh, the whole roof. The little roof. Just one little roof there. Morning.
But thank God,
Yes.
we are alive. That's what we are going to give thanks for.
Yes.
We are alive.
Yes.
God is good all the time.
All the time.
So nobody can say,
everybody damaged.
Melissa come for some people.
Everybody. She come for everybody. Everybody suffer loss.
And the thing is, we are grateful too, because when we hear of other storms and what it does to other places, then you would have to give thanks and put people in your shoes.
Yes.
People suffering just like we know.
Yeah, because
and we come to the realization. Say, my God.
Yeah.
Because I tell you, when when Dorian mash up Bahamas, because over there my people them there, you know.
Can you imagine?
You see, when we go Bahamas after Dorian.
Yeah.
Oh
imagine.
God.
Because all we coming down, we're like, oh, this look exactly like how it look in Bahamas in Freeport when we were here.
Yeah, Freeport.
Right, but afterwards, me just say, you know what? I am not the only one.
Yeah.
Yes.
And all we need to do is to be grateful,
be grateful.
And give thanks and be a brother's keeper.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Right, yeah, we have to keep our brothers now.
Oh, Jesus. But no take me to.
Later, we give you thanks for your time, you hear?
All right.
Okay.
Yes. How are the children?
What's doing over there? Oh my God. We are going to check pound now. Yes, good morning.
Yeah, morning.
We are checking.
Yeah.
Look at your roof there.
I lose my roof.
Oh,
Everything wet. Everything wet.
Everything.
Everything wet. Everything. Everything wet.
God. You're real terrible. For real. See, let's that tire shop gone.
Gone.
Yeah?
Cookie gone. Lester gone. Cheva gone.
Huh? Manless! Oh, go on, we don't know. What a disaster. Panelan. Good morning.
You have to go give me one low and you know.
Yeah, Lasanic in the building. Big up yourself, my general.
What a coincidence.
Yeah.
Master, how much time you have a witness?
So you say I'm no, mommy?
How much time you have a witness?
See disaster.
Oh, God.
I'm going to give thanks.
Yes, we have life, so we have to give thanks, you know. Me suffer last, you know. Yeah, man, but me there, you see me?
Yes.
The whole of my full cup gone, me whole of my solar panel, them mash up. Solar light, everything gone down. Tank and something. But we there. Yes, yes.
Do me not near out here, so?
Up on the hill. All your farm gone. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, Jesus. So them they should already fi dig now?
No, been a beer.
Oh God, that dead then. Yes, Papa?
Yes, sir.
So how you stay now? You good though?
Yeah, me want body shut out me coat.
Nobody worry about him, boss.
Guess what now? You see, we have to run down through the rain.
Yes.
We have to run go over here, no sun, no strong in that, no so. But
so water coming in your house?
yes, man.
So which part you shelter over here?
Over here.
Oh God.
The man will eat up. Some part I tap. Can wreck around the house.
If I want to, government.
This are Cookie house.
Yeah, man.
Cookie house stop gone.
Everything gone.
Tree drop in your house?
Yes, tree drop and bust the top.
God.
Bust the top.
Mango tree.
Every water come to every corner in the shop. Got the top.
I'm here.
When you slide, you not take your time. I will go up there. Go to them road.
Oh, they not come up.
Oh, they don't come up on the top. See for like top come on.
No, man, me think we need all.
Oh, Lord. Later, yeah?
Alright, yeah. Alright, later.
Well, there's a block off. You can't go over there. So this is St. Silas Anglican Church. So this is part of the roof gone off. And up there, sir?
I don't know if this is part of the
No, man, a different roof today here, so chromatic.
right behind the fence there.
No, different roof. Sir.
Morning.
Morning, sir. Yeah. That's true, yeah, so the vehicle them have to drive now. Morning, my boss.
Yes,
Yeah. Well, I have some black cars. It's easy to clear still. Building gone completely. Good morning. How are you big you now? Oh Lord. What's that? Huh? Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Where you stay now?
We stay bad.
Oh my God.
Stay good.
Can you have life?
You have life.
Yes, yes.
What? It's an experience.
Yeah, man. So how round are you the road to go round? How it stay?
What bad?
You know dry it?
No, not really dry, but the bridge. We walk with bridge there.
Yeah.
Cut off.
Oh
you have
Lord.
step down. Have to come back up. So me I walk and look.
Yes,
like
yes.
everybody.
Enough things to see, man.
Yeah, man.
All right. Yeah. The only thing spare are the front part, the veranda.
Watch the one.
Peace and love. Alright. Yeah. You mash up? Where you have mash up? Lord. Everybody have to go. Everybody have to come together and help them one another. Yeah. It's a Sprague shop.
Yeah, David, thing good.
Mr. Miller, morning.
That's the life, boy.
Mr. Cook.
Yes, well, go on.
When me say your shop roof blow off, may I say no, sir, no, this a shop. Can me know the type of roof where you have?
That could have gone on, brother.
Yeah.
But it happens.
They have some of them zinc there, you know, for my full cube.
Okay.
And the whole full cube gone.
Alright.
Flat.
Tell you.
Yeah.
This is not, you know, because it's all structure. Go down higher.
Yeah?
I don't know what's left down there. Only structure.
How you say to me?
One little side, they don't with that. Maybe two room which they understand have not blown up.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But put it this way, we have life.
Yes, so we can rebuild.
I mean, could be worse than this.
Yeah, man.
So therefore, I'm here trying to do what I have to do. Secure some of the walls.
Yes.
Plan to use them back on the building, but at the same time, I may need it to secure around.
Oh, yes,
property.
yes.
Understand? So, I'm doing what I have to do.
Yes, man.
Alright, so you carry on, guys. Take a picture of everything going down the block, up and down.
Alright, boss. Yes, sir.
Blessings.
Everywhere you go and watch, you know?
I don't know where they come from.
So 2 buildings gone, you say, you know, 1 shop and 1 house.
Shireen shop there, she'll talk about.
It's a cool course.
So maybe I'm only 2 rooms safe.
He might have sandbag up there now, but couldn't manage. Yeah, this is peace and love, boss. Good morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, the early cleanup though.
Early? I see you place last night.
Oh God.
Imagine me there. My boy took on the sun. I go around me. So a man come and say you must not see water. So send me come out back to half of the flight this so water give it.
Yeah?
I look the sun. We come out 9 o'clock last night, 10 o'clock. Come down so you know I see water. The water come all the way up. You reach right at Shanna this so. And the rock and go come and down. So it get more rain man in our dance. No, that's nice. We have to run out in the night. Well, we have to run out and Papa chicken go. Yeah.
Them jug they never help.
Well, we never have much jug. So the most part we put the jug.
Good.
They so turn up.
Oh yeah.
The sandbag, but another place we do
Yeah man, make she go on. Alright.
Something about you? But she was everything.
Morning, sir. Yes, brother. Alright.
What's it?
Yeah?
That's what I'm going to tell you, man. Because around the worst there, you know.
Yeah?
Everything flat down around there.
Jesus.
Around there, the worst. I just look at water, so you can't challenge it on your water book. Come on, Roddy. Come on,
Where do that side there? We are going this, but we have to
do this road first.
Yeah. But they are trying to help themselves, you know. What is his name again?
Susumba.
No? Some berry something.
So the people walking through the water at myself. And the bridge overflow. This is Tire District in Troy. So the bridge overflow.
What kind of fruit is?
Berry.
Yeah, I know say some berry business. But I never remember. Good morning. Yeah, clean up early. See if you can clear. Yeah. Go on. There, man. Now you mash up your vehicle, you know, sir. Yeah? Yeah, kwenga. Yeah.
Everybody baby, you come. And then we walk more.
Search party are going on. Bend down somewhere, yeah. You don't have to dirty up yourself.
Missed it.
Who have chainsaw? What you say? Sacrum. Yeah. Where I got you here? All right. Yeah, yeah. Good. Oh, it's up on the windshield.
What we have to do?
You have to help yourself.
Everything.
Yes, that's true.
After storm is going to be a calm.
Yeah, man.
Yep.
And it calm down quick.
Calm down quick, but I want to me now and talk. Make me nervous.
Yeah. Everybody. Me nervous after.
Brother, me I tell you, say, you got over me. Say me weak.
Enough people wet up themselves, man.
Brother, me say me weak like a rat. But first me experience this, and I tell you.
Yes.
All the picnic them, me afraid you worry about the picnic them, for guess what? They get 1 pint. In your house, you alright?
Yeah, yeah.
The picnic them, they want to pint.
And you don't know what happened with them. Yeah.
Wake up this morning early and go check them early.
Yeah.
All them good, you know.
Everybody good.
Nobody talk about vanity thing.
No, man, them they can't fix, man.
Come back.
Yes, yes.
But as long as you're in a free community, no life, no gone, so.
Yes, yes.
You give God thanks. You understand?
Yeah, man, yes. Alright.
Everything active, everything up still, eh?
Yes, man. Big up yourself for general. Alright.
Alright, like. You go up and tap your video for me, you know. Nothing, you know what to sleep. Every match, everything with them.
Yeah?
I'm not even have to catch last night.
Oh, God.
Right now, what's on here? I have a look to see if we can line up our room.
Yeah, you have to set up something.
This is time come a corona.
Yeah.
You can't choose.
Yeah.
Everybody.
Everybody.
Yes, yes.
You come a corona, we have this one sickness, this one.
Everybody get it.
Rich, poor, lame, everybody.
Yes.
Get a touch.
Yeah, man.
That's true.
Mash up. But even if you did mash up, you still
still give thanks. I don't care. Say.
I got you.
It's not fixed, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Now go back in me yard. Me can't tap on you. Look, we do no mass. I'm not see you yard it.
What's so mash up, man?
Take your camera off, man. I'll know we not replay.
Yeah, tell them to take camera off for you. You know, where you there? Yeah? What do you? No, them gonna see you walk up and down, man. Nothing can do if you walk. That's true. Alright, yeah. See how some zinc over in a bush there? Jesus.
I want to go to school side.
We walk that way, they will walk from around.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah? What more over there? Right front.
Oh, you mean there's a tree to the back?
No, me ask if I coconut tree right front.
No, he says another one.
Stop coming and I'm telling you I ain't trying to sing.
Alright. It's a lobby workshop.
Oh no.
Everything gone.
What's me up here? Likkle, Everyting in Jamaica.
Church stop gone. Morning, morning. Morning, mommy. Come in, Earth Roller.
I want shop, you know.
Come in, Earth Roller.
I want shop, Earth Ruler, stand up like a...
Yeah? Oh, yeah, I say.
I want Earth Ruler, them call me Beaver. Because some people, we out on the outskirts, know me as Beaver, you know.
Yes.
You see country people, them?
Yeah.
Earth Ruler, we run the earth.
Yeah.
And I say, we have to just give God thanks and praise. Every man we get up, we're supposed to tell him thanks.
Yes. Yes.
Are we aware, you know?
That's true.
But things I'm
in do what you do for you already.
And then I get in there 3 room, I say, brother. And he put me in a one.
Yeah.
Could have fixed up a feedback. Me say, when me hear the girl that come, she a drive a tractor. Sometimes that tractor she drive.
A person should have come with first, man.
No, tractor, yeah. No, my tractor. Like a D11.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm letting in my house and I say, Father God, when I tell me afraid, I say, Kaka, where me afraid? And God build me.
Yeah.
He take me nothing wrong. And I just go lie down. And so I lie down a couple minutes after, me and the girl like it's reverse. About hour after me not here again, she gone to Cuba.
Yeah.
She got an 80.
Alright. Yes, my boss.
Yeah.
Alright, love you too, boss. Yeah.
Man, miss him.
Dandy, watch yourself and them zinc man and cut, you know.
Everything get mashed, master. Program get everybody program. Nobody can slide again. So every program, everybody better wait pan. Gone.
Mr.
Yeah.
Stand up.
Yeah, me I go look for your shop.
Yeah, one earth will start.
Beaver shop.
Yeah, stand up.
Yeah. Earth, you know. First this ever happen in our family.
But there must be a first, brother.
Yeah.
Everything must be a first.
Yes.
Right now, my rooftop gone. Many more is gone. A lot of roof. Nobody's don't have no roof here right no money ordinary. He's only a deck top man.
Yeah.
And he's like a diplomatic man. But otherwise, everybody roof gone.
Yeah,
Big,
yeah.
small and little. Nobody have no roof.
Yes, man.
So everybody have to live to their own.
Aye. We are going to help build back still. Help who we can help.
Get me a panic, I can't wait.
Yeah, man.
Get him! Oh, man! Lift him up! Lift him up! Sir, stop! Lift him up! That will be the next one. Hey.
Are you not go from me yard? Me back home. You are complete.
That's the main road. Main road, yeah.
The tractor them I use me go say man they have a chapel long.
Where? Oh, no tractor can come here, so.
With the wire.
Hey.
Playing like that.
Yeah, what?
Oh, go on.
Yeah, man, me house stop blow off and I want some money to fix it. Me don't no money.
Oh, what this time just blew like yesterday?
Yeah, but me have to live somewhere, you know.
So who you da getting money now?
A material me want to fix it.
That can't reach us yet.
Okay, so how am I going to know say the about? For me, but you know, me can't just know say come.
So you know what, go up so go look?
Yeah, me know. You know, say out there me I go see and me put on my boot, but boy, you know, look like me can't go tell a man, me tired, you know?
Yeah.
So when the money a come, a money me I talk about, you know.
Go and talk about it, man, we come in time.
Me 2 house stop blow off, you know. So me not live now when me can't, me not, you see how me sit down here so now.
Yeah. Enough people there, their house I try to fix back.
But me can't.
And you can't sit down here, so.
No, me need wood, me would them break up.
Oh.
So me I forget wood, you get me?
Yeah.
Except me that depend a long time, me need wood.
Me know you da fix it, man.
But me not no nail and no wood. And me can't even move.
Me see it black in 2 sides. They might cut out there so still.
Yeah, but when they cut out, me don't know if me can go Christian.
No, Christian, I don't know how the place is stay.
Me.
And true you're so black, you can't go nowhere.
No, so might as well me just sit down here.
Sit down right there.
And fret.
Yeah, fret. Me this you have your job, I know say you fret, you fret. Yes.
You know when you don't have no money and you're homeless right now.
Yeah. Alright. Yes, man. Yeah. So this is a beaver shop. Beaver, aka Earth Ruler. Everything intact. Yeah. Beaver cook shop. That's just a bulla house, you know. Look on the tree road there.
Where? Oh, right in front of the house.
What are the house they tear down?
Whose house is that? The pink house up there.
Faster.
The roof gone.
Faster house that. See her there too? See her. God no.
say water supposed to beat the sun.
Yeah. Morning, sir.
Morning. Come on, child. You have to get up a corner.
I want to fix up here now.
Morning.
I want to fix up.
Out there, go and repair the good things.
Yeah, no. Yeah, China man. Oh Lord.
Morning.
Morning.
See you get it there. See your son up there help you. Oh God. Everybody cry right now, Master. Yeah.
Oh, you turn I see a thing, eh?
Yeah man, everybody cry.
Yeah.
Well, I got you still.
Yes.
Alright, yes. So the sun out. Yeah. Dry up the place quick. Are you close with it? Turn the road up there, son?
I had no idea. Dede.
Dede.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, set back.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Shovel, alright.
Shovel.
How you doing?
See you hard at work. Yeah, man.
Alright.
Where I got you. Side house. Oh, this lady did live. Yeah, man. Enough zinc and something I wash down. Enough water that you know. In this area? Yeah. But it puff up. See what I gush through? Yeah. So yes, a tuck hole them call that, you know? Tuck hole.
Oh, tuck hole?
Yeah. Walk us up. Hold on a break. Easy if you come through here, man. Come.
Step here, sir?
And step there, sir. And come. What is step here, sir?
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel.
Good morning.
Everything Jamaican.
Miss Madge. No? Boy, you're not party down there, but you're down there. Yeah? I down there, where I go? Not yet.
Yes. It's too head up, we're going down so first. Oh no, you're not the new hope.
The bottom new hope. Oh, the bottom new hope. That. See all this house gone completely.
The roads are blocked, all the roads are blocked.
That dirty boy.
Jesus have mercy.
Where did they yesterday when
So no manage to save nothing?
No, I know them never there. Man there, but when the rain ease up now, they man go on the road. But so you will start out there hard. Me no come back up, master.
Oh.
I mean, no, I have trouble up here.
So you did their road?
Yeah, when top me out the road, me come sit now.
You did under concrete?
No, you know, say out of Bembe shop me there.
Oh.
So you stick out the whole storm around there?
Yeah, you can't move. I guess the bridge black down there, you know.
No, nobody can go tire.
Not tired. Come here, so. Come and come and I'm start playing every day. You know what I get me?
Yeah?
I come around to come and beaver shopping right there.
Oh, yeah, say, man.
Good morning.
Oh, yeah, say.
So what did you did know the shelter? Oh, you're going to miss Nadine. Oh, Lord. I tell you.
Hey, this remind me of when Dorian mash up Bahamas. When Dorian mash up Bahamas, and we go over there, you can't see nothing but disaster.
Well, this remind me of Dominica.
Yeah?
Yeah, cause me they go over. Yeah, it remind me of Dominica. If you want to put him,
Yeah, he gone bad.
So we're not going to know like how this is here, so we're not know.
It's a problem. Rough. Everybody with the salt them and who can come together and say, alright, sure, make you help the man, help one.
Yeah, everybody have to come together and help. Yeah.
Everybody. Sprague shop gone, in house gone.
Jesus. It's terrible.
Look here, Sharky.
All of them, everybody.
Sharky house there. Tree drop in night for almost about 11 o'clock yesterday.
Yeah?
Let's over here them there. Over here them there.
As the hurricane.
Oh my God.
Here, over here them there. Got all him forehead bus up.
Yeah?
All him forehead bus up.
Jesus.
So alright, when Sharky get knocked, last time he come on, he come visit, and then time the phone call and phone still around. So I call when I'm brother and tell him that I call him and can't get it. I call him brother. And then now after that, him mother call me.
Yeah, what go down there, son? But we can't even go through there, sir. Are they say walk?
Yeah, you can walk on the outside.
Oh.
Slippery, but you have to go hold on on the way. You can walk there, man.
So you don't want to go that way there?
No, could go down here, sir.
And come back around.
Yeah. Alright, you see all out of Barry there, so? You have to go up in the yard from Pusey Church and walk through Barry yard and come down.
Yeah?
Right. Then there's a block.
So before you know that, we could not see all the way down there, so everything here is so mashed up.
Look.
Couldn't see anything. You're seeing like everywhere because all of the trees destroyed. So the pond there down there, so.
This is more a disaster.
Oh my God. It's terrible. Terrible is not even the word to begin to describe what we're looking at.
Come out on the run. Sweep off the side discuss on the water. Your house lock up, you know? And the door open inside. And when if you push the door inside, me I want to fall at me like the door.
It's no.
That happened.
Oh, the force of the breeze, yeah.
It's not caravan. What's somebody doing?
I don't caravan, sir.
Yeah, man, all that can do, man. Hold the backyard.
So this is Trelawny. Yes, Trelawny.
Yeah.
Yeah. We are following you, but we're there behind. Far behind.
Yep. On the hillside. Tear down.
So we have landslide here, so.
Oh,
no. Yeah. See, look, that's a clean out.
Oh. All the electrical wires down. All the light posts. Everything.
I know, mosquito come down. Jesus.
Oh my God.
We have to be careful of the tree, you know.
Yeah, I don't know which one might just pull off.
Yeah? Yeah?
Oh, yeah, say? Which one of the footbridges are?
That I don't know where them make the bridge.
Oh, Oh, the tribe. So the Bailey Bridge gonna try.
The foot.
The foot part, the foot bridge. Whoa.
Come do it fast. Yeah?
Yeah, man. Spragger get licked 2 times. Out of Spragger, there's some around a light, there's some in the whole line, cheese and tear them in and all, we no drop on the car.
Oh God. All of them here. You see them tree here? A long time them tree have to move, you know? You have to step over. Let me hold your hand. Come. Step now. Oh Lord.
Beep beep. Beep beep. Mercy. Beep beep.
Hold your hand, hold your brake.
Hold the hand and come like somebody will go pop up.
Oh wow.
What? You walk in a Gucci purse now. Morning again.
Well, after me, what's that gone, Jelly?
What you say?
Oh, no.
What?
Flat car early and here, man.
Hush. I will we suffer last. We have to go just take time and rebuild.
Okay.